So this is the famous Jalebi. This particular shop is the old famous Jalebi Wala, located in the Chandi Chowk, and it was fantastic. One of my favorite foods that we had in our trip to India and the Golden Triangle. And before I show the video, I just wanted to talk a little bit through what you'll see in the video. And this is a flour batter that is squeezed into hot oil or ghee and deep fried in this way, and they do it in these concentric circles, so you'll see that in the video. You pull the batter out of that oil or ghee and then dip it into some type of sweet substance, and it depends on who you talk to, and maybe the recipes vary depending on the particular location, but it's dipped into a sugary syrup or sugar water, honey, rose water. I even heard that saffron may be in this mixture, and taking it out of the hot ghee or oil and dipping it into this sweet sauce really soaks up that sweetness, and they're delicious. And then you pull them out, and eating them hot and fresh is just one of the most delicious foods I've had. So I hope on your trip to India you'll get a chance to try some jalebi.
You have water there, you can wash your hands.
I know, I was like, I don't want to wash my hands all through it. I did it anyway.
See, now it's going to the
That's what they're doing now. That's the hot one. That's
lot of calories.
Anything that tastes good has got a lot of calories in it. Hard to eat this.